Hello viewers and subscribers. So for this video I will be saying the other part of that victorious helicopter kitchen meme, which is quoted by his character Andre, "Grandma, that's just a ceiling fan." So earlier I already made a video over saying, "Andre, there's a helicopter in the kitchen," which was said by Andre's grandmother, and now I'm just going to make a video to say the response back to that other saying from the grandma. So yeah, this is basically like a part 2 of that victorious helicopter kitchen meme, basically. And of course, I will try to say that part 2 meme in a variety of different languages. And of course, for each of the different languages, I'll try out different accents. And here we go, starting off in the English language. Grandma, that's just a ceiling fan. 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 Now, in the Spanish language, which from Google Translate I got, Abuela, SOS, solo un ventilador de techo. 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 Now in the Tagalog language, which from my mom I got Lola, ceiling fan, lang yan. And for the ceiling, I guess for the ceiling in Tagalog translation, it's still the same way, but actually spelled differently than the English way, than the English word or Lola, ceiling fan lang yan. 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 Now in the French language, which from Google Translate I got Gomer juste ventilateur du plafond. 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 Gomer juste ventilateur de plafond. Gomer juste ventilateur de plafond. Now in the German language, which from Google Translate I got Oma, das ist nur ein Deckenventilator.
Oma, das ist nur ein Deckenventilator.
Oma, das ist nur ein Deckenventilator.
Oma, das ist nur ein Deckenventilator. Oma, das ist nur ein Deckenventilator.
Oma, das ist nur ein Deckenventilator. Oma, das ist nur ein Deckenventilator. I hope you viewers and subscribers enjoyed this part 2 of that Victoria's helicopter kitchen meme language accent video, and sorry for any stutters I might have gone through. But I hope you viewers and subscribers enjoy this, and thank you.